Hello guys, this is African and welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, today is on a weekend and we are going to cook it's a traditional food. It's called pumpkin. It's called chebololet in my native language. So guys, this can be used for many things. First of all, before you use it, you are going to remove the seeds and then it will be planted for the next season. And then I wanted to tell you guys that this can be used for many things. It can be used to make a flat bread, that's chapati. It can be used as vegetables. That's you cook it and then you smash it, and while you are cooking it, you add some salt, and then you smash it, and then you add you fry it, and then you add some milk, and it will be used for as with ugali. And then again, guys, it can be eaten in the morning. You can cook them. You can slice them into squares, and then you cook it with salt. You do not fry it, you just boil with salt, with salty water, and then it can be used for with tea in the morning. So you cook it in the evening and then you let it dry, and then in the morning you can use it with tea, and it's a very nutritious food. So guys, I want us to cut it so that we can prepare it. Today we are going to use it for flat bread. So guys, let's cut it now into small pieces, and then we shall cook it. So these are the seeds. It's seeds. And also these seeds have some purpose. When they are dry, you remove the one that is inside, in the middle, a green thing. And those things are very good for men. It helps boys. So when you dry this one, and then you remove something inside here, in between, and then you give your boys to chew. It's really good and it's nutritious and it's meant for boys. So guys, let's cut it. Let's get into it. Also, when you remove this, you will prevent it from getting bad, because it might be big and you cannot finish it during one day, in a day's time. So if you want to keep it, you remove all this for it to be dry, so that it cannot rot. So guys, let's get into it. It's really very hard. Guys. Hey guys, this thing is really hard. What's it called? can hear the cook, guys. We are in the village, real villages. It's now ready. We are going to boil it, and then I'll show you what we are going to do next after this boiling. So guys, let's go and boil it now. So guys, let's add some salt. You should cook with salt. And then guys, I'll show you later when it's cooked. So guys, it's still in the cooking process. It's almost ready, as you can see. It's almost ready, guys. You can see. I bet it's almost ready. And this one is the sweetest of all, guys. So let's wait and see. So guys, I guess our food is ready. So let's see. Wow, it's overcooked, guys. And this is what I really wanted. So we are going to take it in. Let me taste first. It's very, very hot. But it's the most delicious. I wish, guys, I could share it with all of you wherever you are. It's really delicious and tasty, guys. So first of all, so guys, I'll drain the water away. So that it will remain dry for the purpose of what we are going to do. No, okay, it's still here. It's almost overcooked, guys, but it's now okay. So we are going to, wow, guys. Hey guys, this thing is so delicious. You feel like eating and eating and eating. So guys, let's get ready for the next task. If you take this with water or milk, you'll really like it, guys. So come with me, guys, as we go to the next.